Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. But before that, I would request everyone to like, share, and subscribe our channel. So let me share the updates with you. So first company is Quicket Solutions Inc., which is hiring for QA, and the location is Gurgaon, India, and the experience required is minimum 1 year in the automation testing. Full-time BTech, MTech, MCA is required. And the responsibilities would be design, develop, and maintain automated test scripts, build new automation frameworks, or work on existing ones, report, track bugs using tools like Jira or Bugzilla, APM, document test cases, all these things are required. So you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for QA automation with Java Selenium. So this is also a wonderful opportunity. So there are many opportunities these days that you would see that are coming with respect to the QA automation. So as an tester, if you want to make your career, then go ahead, learn automation testing, and any one of the tool you can learn, right? And you can apply. So this is the email address. LTIMindtree is having a face-to-face walk-in drive for the testing requirement at the Hyderabad location. So we were getting comments in the jobs videos that the Hyderabad location jobs to be uploaded. So this is one of the company which is having face-to-face walk-in drive. Location is Hyderabad, and this is the details. Experience required is 5 to 8 years. Skills is functional DB testing, ETL testing, Java automation testing, C# automation testing. And you can share your resume at this email address. So I'll be sharing this links and the details in the comment section of the video. LTIMindtree is also hiring freshers, and the role is of associate trainee. It is INR 3,20,000 per annum, pan India. And then there is a requirement for QA lead, manual plus automation for a product-based telecommunication company. Experience required is 8 to 10 years. Skill set is API testing, mobile testing, APM, or REST assured. And the location would be Gurgaon. So this is the email address wherein you can apply. So there are multiple job opportunities for testers, and the walk-in drives are also happening tomorrow. If you see, there is a walk-in drive at Hexaware Technologies also. So that's also one of the walk-in drive that is happening, and we just discussed now the walk-in drive is at LTIMindtree company. So there are multiple companies who are having the walk-in drives, and I believe since this is the 1 weekend ahead of the main festival, Diwali festival, which is going to come. That is why most of the companies are having walk-in drives tomorrow at Chennai location, Hyderabad location, or at you can say at the Coimbatore location also, right? So there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of walk-in drives happening. So you can apply to those particular companies, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.